Hello everyone, this is Sanju. Welcome to Vitamin IS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about timed work, class number 4. Who is watching this video for the first time, please go and watch our recent classes, class number 1, class number 2, class number 3. Then you will get the more clarity, and that classes is basically from the basics level to advanced level with examples. So please go and watch our recent videos to get more clarity. And who is watching our video for the first time, please do subscribe to Vitamin IS Academy and share this video to your friends and relatives and like this video. Let's start our class. Here we need to know MDH method. Here MDH method. What is the MDH method? Whenever the question consists with man, days, hours and work, then it will be useful. This MDH method will be useful. What is the formula here? M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2 D2 H2. When work is same, then it will be work is same, then it will be. Whenever the question is coming man and day, then no need to add H because they are not giving any data of it. When the work is given, what is the formula here? This is one type of formula. So when work is given, so M1 D1 H1 by W1, here work 1. So M2 D2 H2 by W2 here. So M1 D1 H1 by W1, M2 D2 H2 by W2. This will be the formula for MDH method when they given work is not same. Work is not same, then it will be the, if the work is same, then this is the formula here, M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2 D2 H2. Whenever the question consists with man, day, hours, work, then it is the method to use M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2 D2 H2. This is the one formula, and M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. This is another formula. Both formulas so easy to recall, and the questions also so easy to solve it. Let's solve the question, then you will get the more clarity about this method. And this is really important method for not UPSC level, but it is NTPC, RRB and SSC, CGL, mains. These type of questions can come if you're having a really good luck. Then UPSC CSAT also ask this type of questions. 20th model. Here are 20th model. This method is called MDH method. Whenever the question consists with man and days and hours and work, then go with this, because the formula is M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2 D2 H2, or else M1 D1 H1 by work 1 is equal to M1 D1 M2 D2 H2 by W2. This is the formula you have to remain. This formula only enough to solve these type of questions. Let's solve the question. M here man, D here days, H here hours, W here work. Okay, keep simple as much, because MDH M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2 D2 H2. This is the formula. If they are working, if they added work, then what will be the answer here? What will be the formula here? M1 D1 H1 by W1, M2 D2 H2 by W2. This is the two formulas we have to keep. From the two formulas only you can easily solve this method. So 24 man can finish a work 6 days. M1 how much? 24, and D1 how much? 6. Then how many days can 3 men do the same work? Here same work. Okay, so here what they're saying, that 3 men, so M2 they given 3, but they want D2 here. So we have a formula, M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. I'm not adding H and I'm not adding W, because H is not, they're not given, and W is saying the same work. Then what's the need to write it there? If I'm writing also, we need to because here work is same means W1 is equal to W1. So here it will get cancelled. That's why I directly write like this. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. So M1 how much? 24 and D1 how much? 6 is equal to M2 how much? 3 and D2 we don't know. So if you want X is X, then what will happen? 24 into C 6 by 3. Then what will happen? You can easily find 3 how much? 3 8s are 6 8s are 48. 48 days will be the right answer for this question. Again I'm telling you, m1 d1 h1 is equal to m2 d2 h2. This is a simple formula, you have to know it. Then easily you can do any type of sums from this method. 24 men can finish a work 6 days. m1 24, d1 6, m2 3 because they are given next m2 and they want how many days? D2 they want. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Where 24 into 6 is equal to 3 into X. X is equal to 24 into 6 by 3. So 3 8 48 days will be the right answer here. Here question is 35 men. So M1 how much? M1 35. Finish a work 6 days. D1 6 days. Then how many days? 7 men. So M2 they given 7 and half of the work. Here saying the half of the work means here work is equal to 1, here work is equal to the work W2 is equal to half. So these type of question easily you can solve by solving these things. Here 35 and 6 days. Okay, so M1, you know the formula, M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 when the given work is same, but the work is not same here. So what is the formula here? M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. So here H is not given, then just leave it. But M1 how much? 35 and D1 how much? 6 and W1 how much? 1 is equal to M2 how much? 7 and here D2 is saying that find D2. So D2 just keep like the D2 by work is how much? 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, then 2 will be go up now. So then 35 into 6 is equal to 7 into 2 into D2. So here D2 is equal to how much? 35 into 6 by this 7 into 2 will comes into the division, then 7 into 2, then what will be the answer here? 7 3s are and 5s are. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 days will be the right answer for this D2. 15 days will be the right answer for this D2. Here saying that 7 men do the half of the same work. Here half of the same work. Here our next question, 15% working 8 hours a day can complete 3 units of work in 10 days. Means M1 how much? 15 and H1 how much? 8 and work 1 how much? 3 and day 1 how much? 10 days. So here M2 how much? 25 25% and complete 5 units. W2 how much? 5 and working for 6 hours. So H2 how much? 6 and he need D2. So you know the formula here, M1 D1 H1 by W1, M2 D2 H2 by W2. Just submit the value here. What is the formula here? M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. So if you are solving it, M1 how much? 15 into D1 how much? 10 into H1 how much? 8 by work 1 how much? 3 is equal to M2 how much? 25 D2 how much? Here we don't know D2 and H2 how much? 6 by and W2 how much? 5. So here 3 5s are, here 5 5s are. This 5 will get cancelled. 6 3s are, 3 2s are and here 3 4s are, means 40 by 3 days will be the right answer. 40 by 3 days will be the right answer. I'm doing very fast now that you can get so well, because we know the formula here, we know the value here, and just improve your calculation, then you will get the answer within 20 seconds. Before solving next question, please do subscribe to Vitamin IAS Academy, and please share this video to your friends and relatives, and please like this video, and please press bell icon to get instant updates from the Vitamin IAS Academy. And before that, if you have any queries regarding this topic, please contact to Vitamin IAS Academy Instagram ID. You can ping me there, you can personally text me, you can DM me there in Instagram. And if you want this PDF, please follow in Telegram channel. You will get the Telegram channel, all PDF related to the YouTube channel. The PDF will be uploaded in Telegram channel. Please do follow in Telegram channel also, that you will get all the PDF, all the questions from YouTube. Our next question, 30% working 9 hours a day can complete 6 units of work in 12 days. Here M1 how much? 30, and H1 how much? 9, and 6 units. W1 is equal to 6, W1 is equal to 6, and D1 is equal to 12, they given. And what about M2? M2 is 25, and units of work W2 is equal to 3, and hours is equal to 12, then D2 he need. So same formula you can see it, M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 we don't know, and H2 12 by W2 how much? 3. Just calculate here, 6 5s are, and 6 5s are 3 4s are. Here we have 4 3s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are, and easily you can do, what is the value here? 23 9s are 20, 27 by 5. So 27 by 5 days will be the right answer. Sometimes the answer will be sometimes 5 2 by 5 days, because I told you how to convert simple fraction into the mixed fractions. So by that you can do it, 27 by 27 by 5. 27 by 5 days will be the right answer here. Our next question, if 4 men and 6 boys, 4 men and 6 boys can do a work for 8 days, and 6 men plus 4 boys can do the same work in 7 days. Same work they are saying, same work in 7 days. Then how many days will 5 men plus 4 boys to do the same work? So here we need to find M and we need to find B. M efficiency and B efficiency. Before that we should know, here 4 men plus 6 boys together they work for 8 days, and 6 men and 4 boys together they did work for 7 days. Just multiply it, then you will get that 4 into 8 32M plus 6 into 8 48B is equal to 6 into 7 42M plus 4 into 7 28B. So just calculate from the solve this, 20B is equal to 10M. So if you are saying that B by M, what is that? 10 by 20. So 1 by 2. So B value is 1 and M value is 2. So boy efficiency is 1 and male efficiency is 2. Then what will happen? 5 men and 4 boys. 5 into 2 plus M value 2 na, and B value 1. 4 into 1. So 5 times are 10. 10 plus 4. So 14 days will be the right answer for this. Again I am telling you, 4 men and 6 boys. 4 men 6 boys, they did for 8 days. Same work, they are saying that. Same work. So 6 men and 4 boys first 7 days, then just multiply it, then you will get the ratio of boy to man at 1:2, boy is 1, man is 2, then submit the value into what they want, 5 men plus 4 boys, then easily you will get the answer. Same like that, 2 men and 7 women, 2 men and 7 women can complete in 28 days, can complete 28 days and same work. And whereas 6 men and 16 women, 6 men and 16 women can do the work in 11 days. Then what is the 7 man? How many days can 7 man? Only 7 man they need. 7 man. So you need to find m value here. So listen, 28 days they are saying that 2 man plus 7 women. So what is that? 2 into 28, 56 man plus 7 into 28, 196 women is equal to 6 into 11, 66 man plus 16 into 11, 176 women. From there you can solve 10 man, 10 man, 66, 56. Okay, 66 here. Okay, 10 man is equal to 20 women. 20 women. So man by woman is equal to how much? 20 by 10. Then 2 by 1. So man value how much? 2 here. So submit this man value here. 7 into m here. So 7 into 2, 14 days will be the right answer for this question. Our last question. From this question we discuss 50 question and 20 models completely. 50 question and 20 models we discuss. So let's solve this last question. 3 men 10 women. 3 men plus 10 women can complete 28 days. Can complete 28 days. Whereas 5 men plus 15 women can do the same work for 15 days. 15 days. Both are same work. So then 8 men can do the work. 8 men can do the work. Same like that. The data have only changed. So solve this question. 3 into 28, 84, 84 m plus 10 into 28, 280 women is equal to 5 into 15, 75 m plus 15 into 15, 225 women. So what is the difference here? 84, 75, 9 m. And what is the woman difference here? 250, 225. 25 will be the, 55 will be the 280. Sorry, 280 it is. So here 55 will be the 55 women. So man by woman, what will happen? 50 by 55 by 9 here. So here man value, man ratio how much? 55. So 8 into 55, because they are asking 8 men. 8 into 55 how much? 440 days it will. 440 days will be the right answer here. Again I am telling you 3 men, 10 women working 28 days. 5 men plus 10 women working 15 days. Then if you solve it, m by women, m by w is equal to 55 by 9. Then easily you will get the 440. 8 into 55, 440 days will be. Because they are only asking 8 men to complete same work. 8 men only they need. That's why 8 into 55, 440 days will be the right answer here. Our next question is 42nd question. X takes thrice as much time as Y and twice as much Z to finish work. Means X take Y thrice, means into 3, and X take from Z twice. Means if you are doing it X, Y, Z, X taking thrice and from the Z it taking twice. I told you if you want to get the x value, 3 into 2, 6, and 6 by how much? Thrice means 2, and z value 6 by 2, nothing but 3. This is the time. This is the time. And if you want to efficiency, then keep ignoring. If you want to a, this 6 efficiency means a x, y, z. If you want to x efficiency, keep ignoring x, then what is the remaining value here? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 east, and keep ignoring this value to find this value 6 and 3, 6 and 3 and 3, and just if you want to be z value, then keep ignoring 3, then what is the value here? 6 into 2, 6 into 2. So here if you're saying the 3, 3 and 2s are, and if you're saying that 2, 1, here 2 and 3. So 1 is to 3 is to 2 will be the efficiency here. 1 is to 3 is to 2 will be the efficiency. Efficiency values are 1 is to 3 is to 2. But the question is saying that together they can work finish for 15 days. Means all together x, y, z all together working for 15 days into efficiency of all how much? 3 plus 3 6. 15 6 are how much? 90 days. 90 days. So 90 days it is the total days they are working. So time C taken to finish the time C. Means C, what is the ratio here? 2. So 90 by 2, 45 days will be the right answer. For C, for 90 by 2, 45 days will be the right answer. Our next question, the ratio of time taken by A and B to complete work is 1 is to 5. The time ratio is 1 is to 5 respectively. Therefore, A able to finish job 40 days less than B. 40 days less than B means here what is the difference here? 4. So 4 it indicates 40 days less than. Means 4 indicates 40, 1 indicates 10. 1 indicates 10. Here 1 means 10, 5 means 50. 5 means 50. They complete the work together. If they are working together means 10 into 50 by 60. Then what will happen? Here 500 by 60. 50 by 6 days will be the right answer. 50 by 6 days will be the right answer for this question. Our next question, on model number 19, the question number 41. A take twice as much time as B. A take twice of B, twice of B, and or thrice as much time as C. So A take thrice of C. So if you are doing in the same way, A, B, C, A takes twice and C takes thrice. So if you want to know A value, 2 into 3 how much? 6. If you want to know B value, so totally 6. 6 by 2, then 3 will be the B value because twice than A. Na? Here thrice than A means 6 by 3 nothing but 2. If you don't know how to do this, just go and watch ratio and proportions classes in our YouTube channel. Nearly 4 to 5 videos are there, and after watching these 4 to 5 videos you will be you will get so much of clarity about ratio and proportions, and you can do the questions as tough they can given. Also you can easily do it. Just go and watch ratio and proportions. And now coming to the question, A takes twice as much of B and thrice to the as much of C, then what is the time here? Time ratio will be 6 is 3 is 2. What is the efficiency ratio here? 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Again we have to convert into the ratios. Then I told you already, if you want to A ratio, then keep ignoring A, then multiply both. Here 3 into 2 is, if you want to 3 value, then keep ignoring 3, then you will get the 6 into 2, 6 into 2. And if you want to 2 value, keep ignore this value and remaining value multiply 6 into 3. So here if you see 3 is very common, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are, then what will happen? 2 and 4 and 6. Then if you are doing it 1 and 2 and 3, the finally efficiency ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Efficiency ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3. But the question they are asking about the piece of work working together, the working together, they can finish the work 6 days. Means working together means x a B C working together means total efficiency how much? 6. So together they work for 6 days, means 6 into 6 how much? 36. 36. But here B can do the work alone. If they want to do, B only can do the work alone, then you have to do B here how much? 2 here. B here 2. So 2 efficiency. So 36 by 2 how much? 18 days will be the right answer. 18 days will be the right answer. Our next question. Thank you for watching this video till last, and please do subscribe to Vitamin IAS Academy, and please share this video to your friends and relatives, and please like this video, and please press bell icon for getting instant update from the Vitamin IAS Academy. And if you have any doubts, please DM to Telegram as well as Instagram channel. Instagram, you can directly ping me Vitamin IAS Academy our Instagram. Along with that, if you want this class PDF, please follow Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is Vitamin IAS. I am providing all PDF of these YouTubes will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. Please follow Telegram channel for the PDFs. And if you have any query, please text Vitamin IAS Academy personally. I will try to resolve it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.